I don't understand, but okay, yeah, that's the situation. Can you guys hear me? Hey guys, I hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back to another vlog. So guys, we are in town, but it's very dark. I'm not sure if you guys can hear me. What is over? I didn't laugh. And sana, yo, kuna moya. I'm not sure if you guys can hear me. But yeah, welcome. The good date up and on mobile lose fish. The lightning is better up. Guys, I'm sure you can hear me. No, you can see me clearly now. It was so dark there. Often so bullish. Aibo waze wabashayibo azwa kunjani ukugcwala lapha. But guys, we're going to Wimpy right now. I'm gonna talk to you when we get in. Guys, can you believe that I left my mic, my new mic? Can't you put this food? Bye bye. Forgot, totally forgot about it. So nanamhlanje ndimlosisi. But kesana I'm sure nina ndiyane bora because yabhora le nto endenzayo. But yeah guys, it's a Wimpy. We're waiting for food right now. I'm here with Ngobile. Akafuna ubulisa Ngobi. So hi. Hey. Oh. Thank you.
A lot has changed since we last spoke. Life's been good to you, and I see that you're with someone new. Maybe you are better off now that you're with him. But when I see your face, I can't stop myself from spiraling. Now I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling down. 'Cause I can focus when you are around. But I will try my best to carry on.
Guys, kesana umbane gone. Load shedding. But ungcono thina bese sigqibile ukutya. Bese ngekagqibi like bese siodile ukutya kodwa bese kufike because once kwambane load shedding iyayekwa yonke into. Akusa odwa, I don't know why bengena backup because baluza imali le nto bayenzayo. But ke yeah, I'm just glad but thina bese siodile because ndilambe kangaka. Abanye abantu bangena bajike pha emnyango. Ngina bajike emnyango umbana ukho. Abotsho into yase Wimpy. Elo xesha uWimpy is such a big company for bangabi na backup, like I don't understand. But ke yeah, that's the situation.
But I will try my best to carry on without you like you've done. Though I'm lost and out of.
Guys, so I have to return something to F4 I'm not sure if I told you guys. So this is the bag. I'm returning it to get a smaller size. To get a smaller size because the linen doesn't fit me, so we're going there right now. I hope you see this speaker. Yo, I can't believe ndilibele imic. As in the board. ayisazungena kule plastic because iyagoduka iplastic. But yeah guys, I'm going there right now. I hope isekhona because bekudala ngoba ndizoyithenga.
I would say we were good together. I would say we had fun, but our trails will never run forever. Yeah. Something else is on your mind, like everything that's good in life always come to an end. We're letting go, drifting apart. There's no use trying to pretend, and I know that it's
Guys, I am in town and it's so hot guys. I'm going to Glitz right now, so let's get in. And guys, so I came to get this setting spray and now I'm seeing this one for the first time. And it's cheaper than this one. This one is $2.19 and this smaller one is $1.60, but I'm not sure how it performs because I know this one and I have clients. 10 mils is Alena. This one is 60 mils and this one is this one is 100 mils. That's why. But I'm sure it's not the same thing. I'm sure they don't perform the same way. So let me stick to what I know. Then I can try this other one. Getting it fresh. Yeah, let's do that. And then I want, oh, what else do I want? I want a liquid eyeliner, Wet n Wild. Yeah, I want this one, liquid liner. I love this liquid liner guys. How much is it? It's 84 rands. I want a darker shade for contouring and they don't have the dark ones. And then this is a foundation, but it's not dark as much as I wanted to. And there's a new brands conceal. For Essence, they don't have concealers. And then my balloons are door. Let's check. Black opal. 255. A black opal. But get foundation. So it's a no from me.
got the look on your face. It's too hard to explain, but the worst is the pain when you pronounce my name and you say Gloria, please don't cry for me. Oh, Gloria, please don't cry for me. Yeah. I can hurt you like you hurt me too. Then we make love when we are done. I think it's sad.
Hey guys, welcome back to another day. So I just want to apply this thingy, this mask, the one I bought, the one I showed you, the one I bought from Take a Lot. I showed you guys the other day, I think on my last vlog. Yes, on my previous vlog. So ooh, this is how it looks on the inside. Yeah, so I just want to apply this and then finish up cleaning, and then yeah, I also need to go to town, and I also need to go to the traffic department because I need to do my learners again, guys. I did my learners and it expired, sana. It expired before I could do my license, so now I need to do it again. Bored. Very bored. So yeah, I need to go to traffic for that so that I can do my learners again. And this time I'm gonna do my license. Like, I need to do my license this year before my learners expires again, sana. But yeah, that's the agenda for today. Hopefully I'll be able to do all of that, because ndiyabona ne-weather engathi ifuna utshintsha. Guys, i-weather kwezi ntsuku indixakile sana. I really don't know what's going on with i-weather yalo nyaka, because itshintsha ngoku gqibela kunetha, next thing it's sunny again, okanye it's sunny, next thing it's raining. Like, it's just doing the most. But yeah, that's what we are doing today. So while I'm waiting for this to dry up so that I could wash it off, I'll be finishing up cleaning and then go on with my day. So yeah.
Tell me if I got it wrong, but you don't wanna be alone. Spend the evening by yourself, but you'll miss me when it's getting late. Got it all, babe, save arms when you're ready. I'm here when you need me, I'm yours if you'll let me. Got it all, babe, save arms when you're ready. I'm here when you need me, I'm yours. If you let go, boy, loving is a safe card. You don't have to play hard. Love and let go, boy. You don't have to play smart. We can take it slow. You know it. Every time it's a blessing, and I know we can take it to the next level. If you let go, boy, you don't have to play smart. We can take it slow. You know it. Go ahead and tell your friends. Talk it out, but it won't end. You are never true to heart. You need me when it's getting dark. Got it all, babe. Save arms when you're ready.
Just need to make something to eat and then sort out my hair, look for something to wear. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with my hair. I'm really not sure. I'm so lazy.
You say that you will change the way you walk, the way you talk, the way you wear your hair. Change the way you dress, the way you kiss, everything, 'cause you are scared that I might leave you. Oh, why should I leave you? Baby, please don't talk to me that way. Don't talk to me that way. 'Cause I think you're perfect for me, just the way you are. And I don't ever want to leave you. Baby, don't you talk to me that way. Yeah.
ke sana isuphu yase-KFC imbi kangaka uzayitya ne akho bed ilena mesh.
That's why ndingayiodanga kuze ndiyifuna.
Afraid emotion getting in your way. Afraid,
Never go there.
but why you let me fall in love if you're afraid to commit? And don't call me in the middle of the night and say that you're not able to be loved. That's not right. No, I don't wanna be that one. Still a million miles from you. So I'm gonna let you go. Oh boy, if you only knew. Not a day goes by without you.
Uthini ke umntwana?
Mind you couldn't.
Ufuna iteksi nebhanoyi? Zoyi-2? Yo, ufuna into ezidura kanje? Yithi hello guys. Jonga apha. Jonga apha efowunini. Yithi hello guys. Yitsho. Hayi kanti ukuthengela xa ungazi. Yitsho yithi hello guys. Yithi hello. Awusalaqasi. Masihambe. Yiza singena ngapha. Yiza ndikubambe. Yiza ke siza ngapha. Hamba ke. Ithi hey double A gang. Umakazama uzondithengela ibhanoyi neteksi. Uzobakhwelisa? Ndizonikhwelisa ke guys. Yitsho ithi ndizonikhwelisa iteksi. Okay, give. Hey guys, so it's another day of the vlog today. It's the last day of the vlog. I want to close it off right now because bekunini. But before I close my vlog, I just want to show you guys ukuthi I finally bought these collagen pills for hair, skin and nails. And then I also finally got this vitamin C and zinc. Like, these girlies, I've been wanting to get them. Like, I'm so glad I finally got them because this year I am in my skincare era kesana. Like, literally I want my skin to even go improve. Like, as I was saying guys, this year ubandi serious man get well-being yam. Skin, body, I need to get back to gym so that it put in skin, well-being, you know, everything. Like, yeah. Anyway, goodbye guys. I am closing off the vlog now and I will see you on my next vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Please don't forget to like, don't forget to comment and subscribe if you are not yet subscribed. And yeah, I will see you on my next vlog. Bye. Mwah.